Welcome guys, so today I am with the Haylou MoriPods and I'm going to show you how you can pair them with your iPhone. Okay, so first of all you have to remember to charge them at least to the 50%. At the back, at the bottom of the case, you can find the input for the USB-C cable. And you have to be sure that they are inside. When you open the case, these indicators will turn. They will blink like that. And it means that they are in the pairing mode. So we can remove them from the case. And right now, when they are blinking, you have to smoothly move for the Bluetooth settings on your iPhone. Activate this option and find Haylou MoriPods on the list. When you tap on them once, after a few moments, you will be successfully connected. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.